discuss about Tirukkural today. I'll quote from Vedas. Vidyadhara Vinayam, Vinayadhari Patradam, Dharma. That is, to get education, higher education you get, you become humble. You become humble, you are recognized by people. Recognize money will flow towards you. Free do charity. Ramesh came met me and told about medical students sponsoring. Readily agreed, sponsor medical students who have got a gold medal now. And I'm really happy to do that. I try to get more for him. Now, I finish in 2 minutes. I learned few things in life which made me come to this level. So I tell the students now, follow this divine routine. Abdul Kalam gave me busy right. He told, listen, people talk, you learn a lot. And if you join the course, you can get the highest degree possible. Don't stop with the basic degree. Suppose man is climbing 30 trees, you will climb the tallest thing possible. Okay? It's not far away, you are going to get hand, eyes, with hair, and go in order. Once the stem cell come into vogue, you go to study special. And prayer is not a spare wheel, it's a steering wheel. Don't pray on this machinery. Pray every day. We aim to be as high as Everest. Never ever rest. Like that. Just like Moses Sam, stick on the cover till you reach the destination. Till you reach your target, you will be able to work hard. And your problem will be like the washing machine. Correct, twisted, atom of chemicals, but you come out better shiny. Yesterday there is no opportunity, no hope. Today there is one hope, an opportunity. Tomorrow the 3 hours you will get more opportunity. Don't worry about yesterday and don't worry. It's the history. Tomorrow is the mystery, today is the Thursday. This is a cancel check, today is a cash on hand, and tomorrow is a promissory note. As an income tax, they told me, they pay tax with a smile, but they say, not only smile, they want money also. The mountain is very big, just like a target in your life. If you try to climb, it's not possible. Try some more. If you climb it, it's under your feet. But no more, it's a big mountain, it's under your feet. Okay? Always dress neatly, and after you always look smart. If you are born poor, not your mistake. If you die poor, it's your mistake. So work very hard and overcome that. Sunlight and heat. Don't worry about it because both give a rainbow for you. Don't go away from the workplace. Travel 3 hours to reach your college. Stay close to your place of work or college. We will do wonders. Traffic jam in the morning. Choose a separate route where you can reach. Car mirror front is very broad. Future is very good for us. Rear mirror is very small. Forget the past. Go ahead to the future. The friends for you, old friends are gold. New friends look like diamonds. You got gold to fix the diamonds. Old friends are always gold. You want to work with the rose. We will work with the thorns also. Don't worry and say I am useless. You are useless. That's why you are not succeeding. Work very hard. Never say I am useless. Take risk in life. Sadar Reddy, Apollo Hospital, started hospital with a lot of loans, a lot of hard work. He made change the pathway. Pathway breakers are pathfinders. If you go same pathway, you reach only same destination. To break the pathway, try well, you will achieve targets. So take great risks in life. Teacher, very important person. Parent, very important person. What happened is, Mada Pita Guru Devam, become Mada Pita Google Devam. We are not getting very good teachers in medicine now. Be prepared. Don't go to the workplace and search for doing. Get together once in 2 months. Have good food, don't be very good. And don't take small bottle of some of milk, whiskey, chicken. Say so. The weighing machine came as monetary place. When David asked, what's your age? She was 27 years. 3 years back, he told me the same thing. Now, upper page, upper page. Upper page, upper page. Whatever. Don't carry your whole weight of the whole world on the head. Try to divide your work. and get married at the proper time. Waiting for Ramesh to give me invitation card for marriage. Before next meeting, you will give a card for marriage. Humans, very important. One principal told chemistry professor, botany professor, 2000 go and study lake. Physics professor went there, surface tension, depth buoyancy, not down. Botany teacher went to see algae and fungi, not down. Chemistry is a very nice man, went down the lake, gave a report to the principal. That is, physics professor, botany professor, soluble water. They are soluble water, that they are missing. And in a office, 14th floor was kept for smoking area. That was parapet area. Member fell down and died, without smoking. Keep cell phone away from you at least 2 hours a day. Because you don't rush and pick it up from anxiety, we call it. So, we go to two more things. I am going to pass because there is lack of time. Every such a man, lady behind. So, proving that one man got Nobel Prize to his wife for education. On the way, car stopped. She went and brought mechanic from the forest area. He asked, how did you get a mechanic known? Over here. He told, before getting married to you, I was engaged to him. He told, you are a mechanic wife, Nobel laureate wife, become a mechanic wife. No. I married him and I become food company's chief engineer. So, lady is a very important person in the house. Never use the word, God help me, when you are telling the patient. If it's true, we do just the wound, God heals. I told you the NRI, sir, that is only just the wound, God heal. He told, I'll give you money to God. Then I told him, I charge only dressing fees. He came back and told, just 3,000 rupees of dressing fees, not high. I told, 50 years experience doctor dressing is 3 rupees, fair give me. So you tell the doctor, you tell God heals. He told, you have to give money to God. Husband and wife discussion. Wife asked husband, where will you go after death? Husband told, I'll go to heaven, you go to hell. She asked, why? No, I'll be with in heaven with the Urvashi, Sirotamandal, you will be with only monkeys in the island. She got upset. She told, for me, this life also monkey, that life also monkey. For you, this is also beautiful lady, this is also beautiful lady. So never insult the lady as that, you get back like that. Okay. Then, there are few things of medical student. Not easy course, work very hard. Because you don't work every day, you have the backlog over there. So if you work very hard and achieve targets. As a BSc, but no free available, you have BSc Physics, full mathematics. First the husband said, go to the college. I don't know, so I cannot go. I did mathematics, got first in the class, came 10% of medical things. There, they gave me all the medals in the final year. Then I had MD. Then after passing, so give me teaching course. He told, I'll transfer every 3 years. Without transfer, you work without salary. 20 years work without salary. The two students got a card to President of India, he received an award in Padma Shri. So, I look at textbook of medicine, first time in the world. 30 chapters I brought, look here now. I'll give a copy to you, so less of cost, okay? And the clinical medicine, voice reading, X-ray diagnosis, all 7 books are written, and two books for the patients, how to live without disease, tips for healthy life. So, up to this, I thank you so much. I'm going to fast for you. So much, okay? Because you're running behind schedule, I'll tell you this. Wish you all the best. Hard work. Nothing else. No perspiration, no inspiration, no sugar. Never take it easy. But God has given you only one soul purpose for the medical person. So that you have to fortunate. So please, work very hard. Highest degree possible take it. And we definitely won't. But only the thing is, 20, 30 years, become PG goes. 30, 40 years to establish a good doctor, KRC doctor, 40 years no look at that. So you have to wait up to 35, 40 to make money, but Definitely you'll be able to make it, but very hard. And achieve the target. I wish you all the best. I'm willing to take class for you once a month if you want in clinical medicine. Okay. Thank you. And the big cheers to Ramesh and the team with your clap.